Hello everyone, Chuck Creighton here from Weller's Utility Trailers. Today I want to show you our 7x12 heavy duty dump trailer from B-Wise. This is a standard 12,000 pound GVW hydraulic dump trailer. I'm going to push the button, it's power up and gravity down. It comes standard with that toolbox. It's got the pump, the battery, everything in that lockable box. It's got adjustable channel with the drop leg jack. That's an 8,000 pound rated drop leg jack. You pull a pin, it goes down, and then crank her where you need her. Comes with this stake pocket here. This is made to hold a spare tire bracket. So if you want to take a spare tire with your B-Wise, it's easy to add that to it. Has the 16-inch tires, the 12,000 pound axles, two 6,000 pound axles. All the lights are LED. If you look inside the bed here, we have D-rings in the floor. This one is equipped with ramps, D-rings, and the cargo combo gate on the back. When I say combo gate, what that means is it's a barn doors. That's the style you would use with your ramps. And then it says as a spreader too. You can pull the pin here and let it be a spreader, or open it from the middle for your debris or when you're using your ramps. The ramps are self-storing. We can get a shot there. There's a ramp there and a ramp over there. And they'll fit anywhere across the back of the trailer when you're hauling your skid steer. We have plenty of these trailers in stock. If you're looking for a B-Wise dump trailer, Weller's is the place to come. Give us a call at 302-337-8228.